Hello students, this is Sri. So we'll proceed to the part 2 of NetBean tutorials. First of all, we'll see the status of the product or project. We'll run the project. You can see there are no changes. You can't see any changes here, or you can't see a running application here. But when you run this login screen, yeah, it's running, but we need to tune up a lot. You can see cancel button not working, but when I press the login button, I can see the login failed dialog. We'll stop the project. We'll see the login username and password. The username is user. We'll change the password to 123 for the time being. So that is our assumed username and password. We'll keep as it is. We'll go to the design, trying to tune up a bit. I'm selecting both components by pressing the control key. We'll increase this font size a bit. Maybe we'll start from the bottom side so we can make some room for the welcome message or whatever the system name. By pressing the control key, you can make selections. We'll increase these buttons a bit, size of the buttons. Yes, try to change some font size also. The program its font, make it bold, maybe the font size 14. Okay, cancel button, and also the login button, make it bold, make it font size 14, click OK, close. Yeah, it's look better now. We'll drag these components also to bit down, like maybe around here. We'll do the same. Increase the font size. Yeah, maybe for 12. Close. Make it bold. 12. Shall also insert a label. Maybe make it visible like that. Edit text. You can say welcome to easy sales system. Focus on font styling. What is this one? Font, make it bold, make it around 14. Let's see some other fonts. Yeah, this one seems fine. Welcome to the Easy Sales Systems. We are on here. You can say a version here. Let's assume this is our first version here. Version, you can say 1.0. Make it pro. Around here, or even can go for here. Yeah, that seems nice. And we can say, including that, we'll insert a label for a message like please log in to continue. Say please log in to continue. We must always respect the end users. Right. Let's see font. Make it bold. Yes, it seems nice. Run and see. Yeah, it's better. You can see the cancel button is not working, so we'll fix the cancel button first. So when you press the cancel button, you should exit from the system. Click again. Yes, this is the cancel button code. I can say to make the system exit, you have to use the system class system.exit. You can pass the value 0. Save it. Run the file. Yeah, when you press cancel, the system is getting exit. Okay, and also the other thing, when we click the play button, the project should run. For that one, we need to edit this main file or main method where the system started running. So we have to call the constructor from there. You can see there is a constructor here with some parameters. We'll go for a default constructor. I'm going to copy this line, pasting it here. I'm going to empty the parameter list and also calling a replica. So we'll call this constructor from the main method. So I can see with the new keyword we can instantiate an object. You have to specify a return value and also you have to make it visible true. You can say login dialog dot set visible yeah, we'll pass through set project. Now we'll try to run the project. Yes, now we're running when we're clicking the project button or run button, the project is running. So we'll see, we'll enter the correct username and password. So the username is user, the password is 123. Login, Yes, once I press the login button, it's working. But when I click here and press the enter button, nothing is happened. So that should be a feature. When you press the enter button here, you should be able to log in. I'm pausing the video a bit. Yes, you can see login success, but from when we enter the user and press enter, that cursor should be come here to enter the password. After we enter the password and press enter, you should be able to log into the system, but it's not working for the moment. Only the login button is working. So we'll try to fix those. Yes, so what we can do is we'll put these validations into a method, or login code snippets into a method. So I am cutting it, Ctrl X. I'm going to create a new method, private void login. So the code is here. So this is the login method. So once the user click on the login method, login button, I can call this method here like this. Same procedure is happening. We'll run and see. You can see username is user, password is 123. We need to format this text field more. We have to increase the size, increase the height. Click login, the same thing happen. Right, we'll stop here and we'll try to increase this size a bit. Login. Username and password. Save it. So when user press enter from here, from the username text field, that should be get the focus to the password field. So what should be there? We'll go for an event. That's going to be a key event. Key pressed. Yes, see, username key pressed event. So what we're going to do, I'm going to validate if the enter key. So I can say evt dot key, can say key code get get key code. We are checking actually for the enter key, right? Enter key is enter key pressed. So how to check that one? You can check that one. EVT, that's the event is generated when user type any keys on the keyboard. I'm getting that key code and I'm checking that with the key event various static keys key event dot, can say vk underscore enter, whether the user pressing the enter key. We'll check that out. Enter key pressed. save it, run the file. So we'll check, enter, see, when I press the enter key, that event is generated. So what I want to do, when someone is type a username and press enter, that should be get the focus to the password field. Stop the application. So we'll get the variable name of the password field, that is pwf. Control C, go to the source code. You can say pwf dot request focus to get the request to the password field when user press the enter. This method is used to get the focus into a field. So I am using the password field. We'll run the file, shift F6 to run the file, entering username, pressing enter. Now you can see the focusing is getting into the password field. Then same here, method, if you typing the password and pressing enter, login evaluation method should be run. Then up. So what I am going to do, I can simply copy this code for the password field, bind the key pressed event. Here's private void, key pressed on the password field. We'll paste the code here. Comment this out. Here we are calling that logging validation method. So we'll run and see. Shift F6. We'll see user password 123, press enter. You can see the enter button also working here, and also login button also working here. So we are ready to proceed to the main window. So we can begin from here. Okay, we'll see in the next chapter or next part. Thank you, students.